I'm Kelly, and there are only 6 shopping days left until Christmas.
It's crazy. The countdown's on, and we are here to help you whatever you're looking for, whether it's a great pair of fitting jeans for someone on your list, or a pair of UGG boots or UGG slippers, or a handbag, or a wallet, or scarf, or jewelry item. We are jam-packed, and seriously, we are here to help you. I know that sometimes shopping can be nerve-wracking, so we're here to take that stress off of you, and then also, as always, complimentary gift wrapping to finish it off. So.
And we have gift certificates available too.
Of course.
Everybody loves gift certificates.
And I'm going to go over, because our hours vary so much because we extend them, for the holidays. I want to go over. So today we're open till 6 o'clock, and then tomorrow we're open 10 to 6, our normal hours. But Saturday we're extending 2 hours. So we are normally only open from 10 to 4. We are open from 10 to 6 because I know that Saturday is going to be a big shopping day for people to get that last minute. And then we're open Sunday from noon to 5, which prior Sundays, like last Sunday, we were only open noon to 4. So we're extending that 1 hour as well, so 12 to 5. And then on December 23rd, on Monday, we'll be here from 10 to 7. And then Christmas Eve is 10 to 2. We always do till 2 o'clock on Christmas Eve. So you have plenty of opportunity to still make it to us. And if you have any questions, you can give us a call at the store. We're here to help. Hopefully we'll see you guys soon.
Bye, guys.